Well, hello everyone. Welcome to I Can Doodle. Let's go ahead and draw a baby horse. First, grab something to draw with and something to draw on. Don't forget your colors. Let's get started in the middle, right about here. We're going to go ahead and draw his nose. Okay, just like that. Then on the left side, we're going to bring it down. The right side, bring it down. Then at the bottom, we're going to connect it, just like so. Good. Then on this side, we're going to go ahead and draw one nostril. And this side, we're going to draw the other nostril. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and draw a little bit of his face. So right about here, we're going to bring in his cheek and connect it to the nose. Bring it back, go straight up to about right there. That looks awesome. Good job. Thicken it if you like. We're going to draw his first eye and then his second eye. Awesome. We're going to go ahead and put some hair in here. Take one, take it back. Take another one down, take it back. Take another one down, take it back. Just like so. We're going to drop that one a little. And then little bumps for the top of those parts of the hair and bring that one down. Awesome. Good. Now where this meets, we're going to draw over a little bit and start the ear. There's one part. And just come straight down like so. Good. I'll draw the other side of his cheek. Good. Come up like that, and then up like that. There we go. Now we're going to take this continued line, wrap it around, bring it down like so, back up, and same thing for his hoof. You'll see why in just a minute. And then let it meet. Good. Let's go ahead and fill in his eyes because it looks kind of void right now. Same thing. And fill it in too. Let's put an eyebrow up here. Awesome. Now for this side of the ear, let's go ahead and take that. Just like so. Bring it back down. Draw a little line under this other ear. If at any time I'm getting too far ahead of you, just pause the video. All right. For this horse, we're going to draw a little line here. And the same on this side. Go up straight with his eye. That way he has like a different color up through there. Awesome. Let's go ahead and draw his mouth. Draw it down like so, and then the inner part of the mouth. Awesome. All right, right about here underneath the chin and nose, we're going to take this down just like so. Good. Now, we're going to start about right here and bring it up to the hoof. Let's bring it down just a tad further. There we go. Awesome. Now, right underneath his mouth, we're going to add his belly line, starting there and there. We'll finish those in just a minute. And right behind where this line is, you're going to go ahead and draw straight down like that and kind of loop it in. Then about right here, we're going to start his leg, come up like that, turn, and bring it down. There's his first leg. Let's bring it back like so. Then we're going to go straight up like that. Make sure those attach. There you go. And you can kind of give it a little bit of a leeway back. There you go. Now his hoof. Let's go ahead and add his hoof. Back down like that. Awesome. Now the other side. There we're going to go ahead and start with his leg right about here. Come down to about right here. Draw a line for his other hoof. Bring it down and stop so we can put the V in. There you go. We'll draw this line backwards. Yep. And this line will come back too and come down and meet. And then this we'll bring up to the leg right there and continue his stomach down and let it meet down here. All right, we'll bring his stomach line up, let it go all the way down. Fun. Now, don't forget his tail. Start about right here, going that way. Zip it up, whip it, and come straight down like so. Whip it. Let's bring it back some. You can do a couple of these if you like. And let it meet. Now for his other hand, bring it down just like so. I guess it's all legs, isn't it, for a horse? All right, there we go. And same thing. Let's put in a hoof. Awesome. Hey, pretty good. Let's go ahead and thicken up a few lines. I cut to the end of that, but all I did was thicken up some lines. If you want to add some hairlines, obviously you could do that. And let's go ahead and speed this video up and start the coloring. Shall we? I'll see you in a minute. That was a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you again. All right, bye-bye.